Here is a Netgear Arlo high-definition home security camera system that is easy to install without having to run any wires because the cameras have a rechargeable battery. Install them easily overlooking your driveway, your front yard, side gate, or backyard. You can easily see them from your iPhone. So easy to do it yourself. Wait, what the hell? Oh, that's right, I'm ripping out these cameras. This client did some research online and installed this himself several months ago thinking he was saving a bunch of money, only for it to break down right after the Arlo camera warranty had expired. I replaced them with Ring Outdoor HD hardwired cameras that he can see from his iPhone or Alexa 8-inch display that I installed inside his kitchen and other rooms in the house. Now he has a longer warranty and he no longer has to climb up on a ladder once a month to take down the cameras just to recharge them. Now time to find the next client house to save.